Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a quick little share on how I am now storing my ephemera, thanks to Adriana Alvarez. She's on Instagram, like blowing up people's feeds with amazing projects. So if you don't know who she is, I'll link her down below. But anyway, she shared in her stories her ephemera storage, and this is how I had my ephemera. I had these three big cases. These are those photo cases from Michael's or, Tuesday morning. And then I just labeled the back side of it and put that side down. And this, I do like this since each thing had its own little thing and I could just take it out and dig through it, like its own little bucket basically. But these three containers are taking up so much, like the stuff in my craft room is being stacked up to the ceiling because it's so bulky. So if I had a bigger room, I would probably keep my ephemera like this, but I had to change it when I saw Adriana do it. So anyway, went through taking that stuff out, and I just put them in these little this is the brand from Amazon. It's a 100-pack CD case. It's basically like an Avery L kind of, but like a short version. So I just have them in this little like envelope ready to go for when more ephemera comes out. And this is a little drawer right here. I hauled this from Hobby Lobby when they were clearanced out. That is the unit right there. It's just one of the drawers. Just one of the drawers, you guys. This three things fit into one. It was insane, because ephemera's, it's thin, it's just paper. So Adriana has hers folded over like the flap, and then she added a little piece of Velcro to keep them all shut. And I think that's a great idea, and I planned on doing that. I was going to go to Dollar Tree and get some, and then I realized if I just left the stuff up, see how this little flap folds down? So Adriana has hers like that, and it's Velcroed. But I was like, if I leave the flap up permanently, because it stays stiff up, until I fold it, and then use the label, I just reused the labels that were on my boxes, so I didn't waste any label tape, and stick the ephemera in like backwards so this tall piece is facing forward, so it's like that, And not all of them have this thingy, but I tried with some of them. But if they stick up like they are in here, they're perfect height. I mean, they're not in the way. I can still shut the drawer, and then I can hurry up and see like the labels, because I had everything by like things like frames, shapes, acetate, food themed animals, stuff like that. My major collections, that ephemera is with those collections. This is just like I have a random flourish one in here, but like all my flourish stuff is with like the flourish collections that I have. So this is just like random shapes in ephemera and collections I don't have collections to, if that makes sense. And then this little drawer fits right there in its home of 4, but I only have one case of ephemera now. And I could easily take the drawer out, which I absolutely love, and have this on my desk, and like if I'm making embellishments. And now I feel like I'm going to use this, because honestly, I'm not going to lie, I have not touched the ephemera in these things in 11 months, maybe 11 months. So I was not utilizing it when it was in these things and stacked high and out of reach. This, now it's like open. I can even dig while they're still in there, and not even pull them out. So I'm super stoked, and this is my new way of storing my ephemera. So thanks, Adriana. Bye guys, catch you on the next video.